Closing market comments for Tuesday, September the 29th. Grains closed lower today after trading both sides overnight. Very quiet on the activity. Funds are doing very little at this time, waiting for tomorrow's report, which is the September 1st stocks report that will be out. In their stocks report, the corn inventory average guess is 2.25 billion bushels, soybeans at 576 million. This would compare to a year ago at 2.221 and 909 million bushels of beans. So lower on the beans, a little higher on the corn. We'll have to see what the actual report comes out tomorrow at noon. Also in this report will be winter wheat production for 2020 and adjustments, obviously based off the stocks on the 2019 corn and soybean crops. So we'll let you know on those numbers tomorrow night after the report is released at noon tomorrow. Crop condition report last night came out with soybeans unchanged, or up one, at 64, corn unchanged at 61. Harvested, corn was 15% harvested. That compares to 8% a week ago, 10% last year, and 16% average. And corn mature was at 75%, with 59% a week ago, 39% last year, and 65% average. Soybeans were 20% harvested. That's up from 6% the previous week, 6% last year, and 15% on the average. So we'll have to see how this thing goes. They're expecting a pretty good week of harvesting across most of the Midwest this week, with good weather predicted for most of the area. They are calling from showers in the eastern Corn Belt, but we'll see what develops as we go forward. Yields, as I said, are running a little better than expected in most areas, but variability is very big this year. Obviously, the derecho areas of Iowa are showing very poor yields, but then you get outside of those in Iowa, seeing corn yields 230, 250, soybean yields in the 70s and 80s. So, we're just going to have to wait and see. Too early to get much of a prediction. Funds at this point kind of sitting on the sidelines waiting on tomorrow's report, so we'll see how they can react after the report comes out. A week ago they were very long corn and long beans, so we'll have to see if the report comes out friendly. We're seeing quite a bit of hedge pressure. Soybean movement has been fairly strong, with the prices rallying where they did, off almost $2 off the lows. We're seeing quite a bit of movement of soybeans out of the field, so we'll see if that continues as we get deeper into harvest. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.